In this video, I'm going to show you how to repair worn out holes in pants crutches, just like this one. To do this, we'll need some fusible fabric, an iron, some scissors to cut it, the fusible fabric, and a sewing machine. Alright, now that it's ironed, now we're going to cut the fusible fabric down to size so we can cover the hole. You don't want to go over the top with it, just cover the hole enough that you're getting all around it.